To understand the drink, you start where the color grows.
Warm regions grow the fuel mile after mile of citrus. Harvest is not gentle, it is efficient. Even before the factory quality gets filtered.
Millions of oranges travel as cargo, dense, heavy, perishable.
Once sealed, the clock starts. The factory does not wait lines, run on schedules. Here, citrus becomes a liquid product. Before anything moves forward, samples. This is the sound of volume. Dirt leaves field residue, gone first. Clean skin protects flavor and machinery. A final rinse, then straight to inspection. Cameras judge what humans cannot at speed.
One bad orange can ruin a batch.
Uniform size keeps extraction consistent.
This is the moment the fruit becomes liquid.
But it is not finished. Peel seeds' air are still in the mix. Nothing is wasted, not even the skin. Those oils carry the smell you recognize before the first sip. Screens pull out the hard parts without stripping the juice. Pulp is not random, it is a setting. Spinning separates what the tongue reads as bitterness or cloud. Less oxygen means better flavor over time. Connection to next blend tank whirlpool equalizes different lots. Key highlight air treated as an enemy. Different lots become one consistent taste.
When recipes require it, purified water is added with precision. Connection to next dosing pump injects vitamins in tiny pulses. Fortification is measured in thousands of liters per hour. Stabilizers, when used, keep pulp from settling. Connection to next recovered peel aroma line injects back into juice. Flavor compounds from peel bring back what processing strips away.
Heat kills pathogens fast without cooking the juice.
Seconds at target temperature, then straight to cooling. Cooling locks the flavor in.
From here on, the goal is simple. Keep it clean.
This is the buffer between processing and packaging.
Citric acid microbiology. Every lot proves itself. Numbers decide whether the line keeps running.
Between runs, the factory cleans itself chemistry and flow. Connection to next packaging begins with bottle preforms raining into a hopper.
Packaging starts as raw material too.
Air pressure turns a tube into a bottle in seconds.
Before filling, every container gets its own wash. Connection to next filler carousel raises orange level smoothly. Key highlight cleanliness extends to the bottle.
This is where the factory's work becomes a product.
Seal it fast before air and microbes get ideas. A cap that is too loose or too tight fails later.
Some lines run cartons, same juice, different armor.
Hold seal and move no pauses.
Robots do not get tired, so the line does not either. Product is now a unit of logistics. Connection to next stretch wrap spirals around the pallet. Key highlight manufacturing ends where shipping begins.
Wrapped tight, so vibration and time cannot break it. Temperature is the last ingredient. From tank to truck, still on the clock. Stability seal depart.
From grove to glass engineered to taste like morning.
Color, made by an entire system.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process from GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation with human creativity guiding each step. This content is originally produced using a combination of AI tools and human input and does not reuse or replicate copyrighted material without transformation. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and fully complies with all 2026 YouTube monetization policies.